Find the solution for the homogeneous differential equation y double prime minus 5y prime plus 6y equals 0. So evaluating our auxiliary equation in order to find the roots, we take variable r, or m, or any other one you want, equal to the amount of derivatives being taken by y. So r squared would represent y double prime, minus 5, we leave the coefficients the same, r to the 1, since r to the 1 is the same as y prime, plus 6 times r to the 0, we can leave as 6, equal to 0. And factoring this out, two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to negative 5 are negative 3 and negative 2. Don't be fooled in saying that it's negative 6 and positive 1, that wouldn't work. And we have our two real roots, r1 equal to 2 and r2 equal to 3. So this is a case in which r1 doesn't equal r2, where we have our expression y homogeneous equal to c1, a constant to allow for a degree of freedom such that there are infinite solutions, e to the r1t plus c2 e to the r2t. And plugging in our r values, we get y homogeneous equal to c1 e to the 2t plus c2 e to the 3t. And that is our solution. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below, and good luck.